are Siftmill Technologies Private Limited from Mumbai, and we are representing Grandway from Hong Kong for high-speed rotary sifters and conical mills. This is something new in India, where previously people used to have vibro sifters. The output of those machines are very less. Since these are high-speed machines, these machines give almost 10 times more output than older machines. And these machines are very important machines in granulation line, where wet milling, dry milling, and sifting is a very important function of granulation. No, we have different models like K100, K200, and K300. These are three models what we have. K100 is a small batch machine. K200 is normally production machine, and K300 is a very high output machine. We entered into Indian market 3 years back, and today we are proud to say that we have sold our machines to Cipla, Arbindo, MSN, FDC, Hetero Drugs, Excellent Pharma. So far we have around 80 machines in the market in last 3 years, and we are still growing. This is one part, and secondly, we also have MG2 from Italy. They are machines servicing spares and sales. These are the high-speed capsule fillers and very specialized machines. We entered into agreement with them just this year, and we are doing well in that machine also. We have been participating since last 3 years in this Hyderabad exhibition. Happy to say that we have most of the customers from Hyderabad only, and this is a good thing that we decided to showcase our machines in this exhibition. This exhibition is gaining popularity year by year. So best of luck to them, and of course next year also we'll be here. Thank you.